Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to start using the calculator for finding trig ratios. First of all, whatever calculator you use, this one's like $10 on Target, should have some of these buttons: sine, cosine, tangent, and above that it should say something like tan to the -1, cosine -1, sine -1, because these are things that we will be using. Okay, now the first thing you want to do is go into this button called mode. When you enter mode, it may not be the first option on your calculator, but somewhere you will have this option saying degree, rad, grad, and you may just have DEG and radian. Make sure that the dark, the degree is selected, meaning it's the darker one. If it's not, for example, let's say it's radian like that, what you want to do is you want to go to degrees and then you want to press enter, and then you can press clear to go back. Now the first example, let's say I want to find sine of 56 degrees, right? So all I do is I go into the calculator, I find my sine button, sine, it creates a parenthesis, I plug in 56, close the bracket, and I press enter. Now when I get this result, I'm going to round it to 3 places. Okay, round to 3 places, so that is 0.829. Similarly, in the next example, let's say I want to find tangent of 19.7 degrees. So I repeat, this time I press the tangent button, tangent of 19.3, close, enter, gives me 0.350. Or if I want to find, say, cosine of 101.3 degrees, I go cosine 101.3, close. Now don't mind the negative for now, we will look at why it is negative later. So just report the answer, which is 1959, so it's rounded to -0.196. Now when you look into your calculator, you will notice that the only buttons are, you have your sine, you have your cosine, and you have your tangent, right? So what about cosecant, secant, cotangent? Those buttons are not on the calculator. Okay, next video I'll show you how to evaluate those ratios.